Welcome to All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Department of Information Technology. I am Riaz Jamadar. In today's session, we'll be discussing about servlets and CGI scripts. This topic is related to web-based applications where we need to generate dynamic content. So dynamic content is one which we need to generate dynamically at any instant of time. Whatever is the status of server, content of server, we should be able to reflect. So it is not a static content. So if you go for a HTML, it will allow you only static content. So any content, any data, dynamic data that is changing, that we can get through CGI scripts and servlets. So before servlets, we were using CGI scripts for this purpose. So what these CGI scripts and what are the advantages of servlets over CGI scripts, that we'll see in today's session. So let's understand what CGI scripts. CGI script is an abbreviation given to Common Gateway Interface. That is an interface which handles external programs, CGI scripts, on a web server to enable the execution of interactive web pages. So interactive, we mean here, it is the page will become interactive only when we have dynamic content, when we generate dynamic data. So CGI was developed by National Center for Supercomputing Applications in 1993. So before Java, before servlets, we were using CGI scripts. It resides in the server side and enables web browsers to interact with programs on the web browser. So again, servlet is also the same kind of thing, but it is Java based, and what all Java benefits we have, that all we get through servlets. A servlet is a Java based web component, act as an intermediate program which facilitates the interaction between the web browser or HTTP client and HTTP server. So now let us see the key differences between these two technologies. CGI scripts are written in native operating system and stored on a certain directory. On the other hand, servlet programs are usually written in Java and they are compiled into Java bytecode and executed in JVM. So the CGI scripts, they are stored and executed by the native operating system, whereas Java servlets are executed by JVM. CGI is a platform specific because we used to write CGI scripts using C, C++ programming languages. So these are platform specific, they are not platform independent. So that way CGI is a platform specific, which makes it hard to switch between operating systems. That is the drawback of CGI script. As against, servlets can be executed in any operating system which have installed JVM, hence it is a platform independent. Because Java is a platform independent, since servlets are written in Java, they are platform independent. In CGI, each arriving client request can generate a separate process, while servlet processes are not created needlessly and share the memory space of the JVM. Since Java supports multi-threading concept, servlets makes use of multi-threading. So instead of process, a thread is created over here. So process is somewhat heavy weight. We mean here more memory we need for processes, address spaces, whereas for servlets we don't need more memory because the threads will share the memory. Memory for threads will be shared by the main process itself. Process memory is used for threads also. There will be no separate allocation of memory space, address space for threads. That way servlets have advantage. CGI scripts are executable programs written in the native operating system of the server. In contrast to this, servlets are compiled to Java bytecode that runs on JVM. This we have already seen A servlet is more secure than CGI as it uses Java. You know, Java has security is more in Java. That way, servlets are secured. The speed, performance, and efficiency of servlet is better than CGI because of all Java features. The performance is improved. CGI scripts can be directly processed. On the contrary, servlets first translates and compile the program, then process it. Because it is we need to take the help of JVM. It must be converted to bytecode, and then that will be executed, interpreted by JVM. When it comes to portability, servlet is portable while CG is not. CGI is not portable because CGI is platform specific and servlet is platform independent. That's why portability is possible. Hope you enjoyed the session. So in future we'll see more about servlet basics. So watch my next video also. Thank you for watching.